Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Maserati Ghibli battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely parked with the parking brake engaged. Gather your essential tools including 10mm and 12mm sockets, an extension, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remember to wear safety gloves and eye protection. It's important to note that the Ghibli's battery is found in the trunk, not in the engine bay, which is a common misconception. Now that we've covered safety, let's find that battery. Open your Ghibli's trunk and gently lift the carpet or liner to reveal the battery compartment. For optimal workspace, you might find it helpful to remove the spare wheel and the central carpet section. The battery is usually located on the driver's side floor of the trunk. Take a moment to clearly identify the negative terminal, which is typically black, and the positive terminal, which is usually red. With the battery located, it's time to disconnect. Always start with the negative terminal first. Use your 12mm socket to loosen and remove the nut, then carefully unclip and move the black cable away from the battery. Next, proceed to the positive terminal, loosening its nut with the same 12mm socket. Finally, use a Phillips screwdriver to undo the red retaining clip on the fuse panel, allowing it to move freely for better access. Almost there. Now let's fully free the battery. First, undo the strap positioned near the negative terminal that helps secure the battery in place. Next, grab your 10mm socket with a long extension to remove the bolt holding the retaining bracket. Don't forget to carefully disconnect the battery drain hose, usually found on the negative side. Finally, firmly grasp the battery's handles and carefully lift the heavy unit straight out of its compartment. You've successfully removed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.